Wednesday, everybody. So, today. Okay, so it's cloudy and cold outside. They did say how the weather is going to end up changing up. So, it's cloudy outside. The heat was gonna end up jumping on all day. Cause like this morning, or like when I first got up today, it was cold up in here. But then the heat jumped on, so I'm like, okay. So the heat jumped on, so it must be cold outside. And it is. So, what am I gonna say? So yeah, it's cold outside, and then just enjoying today being in a nice warm house, and yeah, catch y'all in a few minutes.